as their representatives, the Chief of Defense Intelligence Agency, the Director, Department of State Services, the college partner, the Executive Secretary, Tertiary Education Trust Fund, very senior government officials here present, my Deputy Commandant and members of my entourage, graduates and participants of National Defense College Course 33, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rear Admiral Abdullahi Ahmed, the Commandant, National Defense College, Nigeria. It is my honor and privilege to immensely thank Your Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for taking time out of your extremely busy schedule of managing state affairs to personally host this entourage from National Defense College, Nigeria, who are here today to make a presentation on a topic of national importance. Although this alumni and participant of Course 33 graduated in August 2025, we are still utterly grateful for this opportunity granted by Your Excellency for them to reassemble to make this presentation to you in person. Before going into the business of the day, Your Excellency, permit me to acquaint you with a short background of National Defense College, Nigeria. The National Defense College was initially named National War College, but renamed National Defense College and it became the highest professional military education institution in Nigeria in 1992. The college undertakes studies aimed at suggesting or providing workable strategies on issues bordering on national security and development. Essentially, the college is dedicated to preparation of selected senior officers from the Armed Forces of Nigeria, the Nigerian Police Force, and civil servants from strategic ministries, departments, and agencies of government for higher responsibility and strategic leadership. The college's Center for Strategic Research and Studies is also designated as the ECOWAS Training Center of Excellence for peace support operation at strategic level. As of today, the college has graduated 3,079 participants, comprising senior military officers from the Nigerian Armed Forces, Nigerian Police Force, strategic ministries, departments, and agencies, as well as senior international military officers from friendly countries. Besides participants from African countries, the college has had participants from Europe, Asia, and South America. The National Defense College Course 33 comprised 99 participants, made of 25 Nigerian Army, 16 Nigerian Navy, 12 Nigerian Air Force, and 5 Nigerian police senior officers, and also 18 senior officers from the MDS. There were also 23 international participants from Africa, Asia, and South America. The participating countries from Africa include Benin Republic, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Congo, Brazzaville, Egypt, Gabon, and Gambia. Others are Ghana, Kenya, Liberia, Mali, the Kingdom of Morocco, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, and Zimbabwe. Your Excellency, sir, we also have from Asia, we had India and Nepal participants, as well as participants from Brazil in South America. What we have at the State House today are representatives of the course, which reflects its composition. It is instructive at this junction to most humbly intimate Your Excellency that the college currently operates from its temporary site in Abuja Central Business District, due to non-completion of its permanent site at POA along Abuja Airport Road. Project that started since 2010. I therefore respectfully seize this very rare opportunity to request the kind intervention of Mr. President to complete the permanent site of this strategic national institution. This will enable the participants allocate more time for studying in addition to supporting academic and professional development. Having highlighted the foregoing, Your Excellency is most respectfully invited to please note that the theme of NDC Course 33 was Strengthening Institutions for National Security and Development in Nigeria. In line with the course theme, participants of NDC were mandated to conduct research on one of the topical national issues and present their findings to the President. Accordingly, in line with your renewed hope agenda, Your Excellency tasked the National Defense College Course 33 participants to research on the topic titled Harnessing Indigenous Manufacturing for Enhanced National Security and Development, Strategic Option for Nigeria by 2040. This topic speaks directly to your determination to diversify Nigerian economy in order to boost revenue generation as well as enhance the socio-economic development of our people. While we await the presenter to take the stage, please permit me to reassure Your Excellency that the college is poised to research into the current security situation in the country to provide strategic contribution to national security and present same by Course 34 to Mr. President by the end of July 2025, subject to your approval, sir. Once again, on behalf of the entire National Defense College community, I wish to thank Your Excellency for hosting us today at the Presidential Villa and for our unflinching support to the college, which has propelled us to achieve our institutional objective. Thank you, Your Excellency, and may God continue to bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, sir.
Express our appreciation for being given the opportunity to address this hallowed chamber. We strongly believe that the execution of the project Native 2040 Blueprint, coupled with your visionary and strategic leadership, will lead to the transformation of the indigenous manufacturing sector for enhanced economic growth, national security, and national development by year 2040. Arising from this, Your Excellency, we earnestly request that you consider the implementation of Project Native 2040 Blueprint for harnessing indigenous manufacturing towards enhanced national security and development in Nigeria by year 2040. And this will require, Your Excellency, that you direct the Federal Ministry of Works to execute the Industrial Resilience Drive by the third quarter of 2026. That you direct the Federal Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment to activate the Market Access Campaign by the fourth quarter of 2026. That you direct the Federal Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment to liaise with stakeholders to consolidate the business enabling reforms by the first quarter of 2027. And that you direct the Ministry of Defense to scale up research and development for development of the DICOM Military Industrial Complex by second quarter 2027. Thank you for your rapt attention, Your Excellency. Our references are shown on the screen.
The National Defense College, senior government officials, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, congratulations on the Course 33. I have listened intensely to develop the future strategic leaders sufficiently equipped with the requisite knowledge and analytical skill necessary to harness the instrument of national power in dynamic defense and security environment. I congratulate all of you, the leadership of the college, the participants, and the resourcefulness. We are building a political economy and security factors here into it. We must develop Nigeria. It is our responsibility to give answers to all the points you raised. The strategic path to industrialization as enumerated in your presentation and the findings delivered to me this afternoon will receive a diligent attention and a thorough review and critical path for implementation. We challenge our intellectual curiosity by being highly inquisitive and looking at what other nations are doing. Where are we today? How did we get here? And where are we headed tomorrow? It is our joint responsibility to ensure that this nation, Nigeria, is productive, governed inclusively, and taking care of the future of our generation yet unborn. It is our patriotic duty to look further into the horizon, to be determined and be resilient, to invoke our spirit that can achieve greatness, to train our people, develop our economy, promote industrial development, and ensure that our sovereignty is assured, protected, and will remain resilient. I want to thank you on your recommendations, your dedication, your patriotic duty. I must fear to respond to the request of the permanent site. We'll look into that. Just be patient, continue to work hard, share knowledge, impact it on every opportunity that you may have. Those coming after you hold Nigeria the same way. I must continue to do better and better for the sake of this country. Our belief that this is the only nation that we have, and we have to build it together. I thank you very, very much. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria and keep our armed forces safe and protected.